What stands out the most out of this program is that you're always helping people.
This program is, I would say, very unique because a lot of us are very close-knit in this program. I have about 20 friends from this program. We all take the same classes together.
Our students benefit in the School of Education from having a smaller faculty. There's a smaller student-to-teacher ratio, so we get to know our students pretty well.
It's a real hands-on approach. This is where they're really going to see teaching in action. I find it to be perhaps one of the most exciting times.
It's something that's always going to be in demand.
Our students who are seeking a degree in secondary education with the option of focusing on math will start out with some general courses. They'll have a lot of math coursework throughout their time here at Ferris, and they'll also have a lot of education courses.
Students will learn with some of the basic foundation of teaching, and then they will begin to work to actually hands-on, where they're taking units and lessons and building these using the most important components that you need in instruction. And then ultimately it will lead into actually teaching these lessons in front of their class and eventually actually in classrooms with the specific age group that they intend to work with.
The process begins with, basic training in the field of education, and then we learn about pedagogy, the actual science and art of teaching. As far as the mathematics side, we go through very similar to mathematics degree.
The student teaching experience, you start with your 40-hour pre-methods. You will go in and observe a class and teach one lesson. Then when you do your 80 hours, you will do the same thing, go in, but observe for 80 hours. And then after that, you get to do your student teaching. So that is a full 12 to 15-week program.
And student teaching is usually a process where when you start, you're doing a lot of observing of what's going on, but slowly over the course of the semester, you take more and more control so that by the end of the student teaching experience, the person who wants to become a teacher is actually in complete control of the classroom.
I chose to tutor math because it helps me review my algebra skills, and it gives me the ability to start helping people now with their learning of math.
I think there's a real personal attention that is given to students here at Ferris, especially in the math education program. And I know that from the educational department, there is a real strong emphasis as well, is connecting with the professors, but also with mentors and getting into the classroom as much as possible. Our courses are designed where students have to go into classrooms to do observations, tutoring, and at some point in time they will begin teaching.
It's not so much just all the learning, because I love to learn to begin with, but sharing the experiences with other students who are going through the same exact things, whether it's learning something, a new way to teach a lesson in the classroom, new words, new phrases that connect with students, or if it's just about the struggle itself of being a teacher.
I enjoy coming to class and I enjoy learning, hence why I wanted to go into education.
If you're really serious and want to be a teacher, come spend a day with us.
You're going to see instructors that are not telling you how to do it, but they're actually showing you how to do it as well.
Mathematics plays a huge role in all of our lives, so if I can help teach them the skills that will help them along their journeys, then I'll have done my job.